Hey y'all, it's Privateer. Sorry about the background noise. I got a fan going because today's preparation project, that looked like it had been sitting outside for God knows how long. That one was rusty. Real quick, the 12-inch there, the 8 or 10-inch, I don't really remember, and then a 6-inch there. All four of those, I was, many of y'all know I drive for Uber for a living. I dropped a lady off at an apartment. There was another guy coming out of a building heading towards the dumpsters, had all of those in his hand. And yeah, they were rusty. They looked gnarly. They looked like they had been sitting on a balcony for God knows how long. And the guy was going to throw them away, man. And I asked him, I said, what are you doing? He goes, I'm going to throw them out. They're rusty. They're junk. I'm just going to get rid of them. I said, hey, man, I'll take care of them. I'll restore them. So he gave them to me for free. It's resources when and where you can find them. And I know some people will be like, oh, God, you're almost dumpster diving. You know what? The reality is, if there's a resource there that can be fixed and put back to use, truly recycling instead of everybody wanting to call it upcycling, let's get real. You're recycling it. You're cycling it back into use. Hence, But the two on the bottom have gone through, they're on their second coating. The one on top is on its, second seasoning. The one on top's on its first. This has already gone through one. I mean, the difference, I really, really wish I had took pictures, but the difference in these are amazing. I did kind of want to do a video of the whole restoration thing, but honestly, I've still got a lot of stuff to put away and a very small kitchen, comparatively speaking. But roadside resources, man, when and where you can find them, get them, use them. That's a lodge pan. Those in there, all three of them, by the way, Anthony, I told you I believe they were all lodge, but the ones in there are the Ozark Trail. So sorry about that. I just didn't pay attention. I just, hey, free cast iron pans and a free cast iron Dutch oven. Yeah, I'm gonna take it and use it. Anyway, it's Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.